feedback. Yeah.
Okay. Hello, everybody. My name is Dennis. I'm a product manager at DevExpress. I run multiple teams like XAF, Xamarin, Maui, installation, NuGet, etc. Today, I just wanted to quickly demonstrate a few new features my teams are working on. And I will start with XAF roadmap for this year. As Jose mentioned earlier, a lot of things are already implemented, and I will just focus on 2 items. This is about dashboards module. I just wanted to quickly show a screenshot from trailer that my devs just shared today. We hired 2 new developers in St. Petersburg, and this is the first result. As you can see, we have supported the dashboard viewer and also designer that the Blazor team added in the last release. You know that we already shared an example in the support center, and in this support center ticket, you can see a basic implementation. A basic, I mean, it's it just gets a custom Razor component, adds a dashboard viewer inside, and just shows it navigates to this custom page. In our built-in implementation, we are making it exactly like in WinForms and web forms. I mean, you can easily use XPO or entity framework for data access. Your data will also be protected by our security system, so it's a complete implementation. Like you, I hope you loved it in WinForms and WebForms. Well, next I wanted to demonstrate a quick and hopefully useful feature for developers. It's activated in debug mode. This is a new action, a new menu command that allows you to quickly navigate to a view or a class node or a validation node for a particular object. For instance, here you can see that I have an employee detail view opened. So I can click, for example, view, then wait a bit. And you may notice that the model editor opened and focused exactly this node. If I close the model editor and return back to my application, I can also try this with class node, and it should go to the class node, of course. This is WinForms only feature, but I hope you will like it, because we know that during development you have to go back to model editor quite often. While I'm in the model editor, I wanted to quickly share a few minor additions, like in the let me move this out. In the next version, minor version, we made it. Sorry, I'll move this here. We made many properties that are drop-down boxes. We made them editable. So sometimes it's not convenient to use mouse or search, and sometimes you just want to copy and paste some specific value. So you can do this now for many properties like default focused item, like lookup property. It's for, unless I'm mistaken, it's here. So you can type here anything, and for many other properties I don't remember already. There is a dozen of them. So I hope you will like it too. Any questions, maybe?
I don't have a question, but I will say a few things. Like the dashboard things, it has been one of the requests that we have got the most. Everyone wants to have the dashboard in SAF Blazor. And this is amazing that we already have something there out of the box without having to use, like starting to use actually the API from the Blazor component. The viewing model, I remember I used to work in a company that they used to have an ERP with SAF, and the administration people was not a developer. So every time that he have to do something on the model, he will always lose. Where is the view that I'm working on? I did not change the right one. Where is that? So just to be able to just right away go directly to that view, that will be a huge time saver for like people that are supporting and maintaining all those Windows applications. So this is amazing. And personal for myself, I think that the Dev Express having those MAUI control now for free, and now that this is still on preview, and now that's really good. So there is not a question, just my comment.
Yeah, thank you, Jose. Yeah, it's my last item. As you probably know, in February, we made our Xamarin UI controls free for everybody because, you know, .NET multi-platform application UI is coming at the end of this year. So you can register and get your NuGet feed. I am already registered, but trust me, you can click these buttons and get your link to NuGet feed for free. Also, we are starting to roll out first previews for MAUI UI controls. Last week, or maybe 2 weeks ago, we showed the first controls like data grid, charts. So you can try if you are try them if you are interested in this new platform. Here we have some frequently asked questions. If you are interested about conditions, it's also free. Also some survey. And of course, we hope to keep these previews coming every 3 to 4 weeks, exactly like Microsoft does this. That's it. Maybe if you have any questions.
Dennis, Dave has a question on the chat about if there was a reason on the view model, in the view in the model action, instead of using the actual action that is already there, edit model, and turning it into a single choice action with those options. It was a reason for that, or just?
Yeah, there is also there is always a reason. You know, first, this action is a simple action. I mean, existing edit model. If we change it to single choice action, it will be a breaking change. You know, some people are relying on this API, so we have to make a separate comment.
Got it. So I'm for one, I'm really excited about all the MAUI development that is coming. So that will be, especially with MAUI Blazor, I think that the possibilities are going to be really good, especially with sharing component with SAF, sharing component with MAUI Blazor, and let's see what the future holds. But it looks really promising. I really like that.
Thank you.